Are you sure you know how to properly clean your arteries? You might think it's simple. Find a recipe online, try it out, and you're good to go. Today, you'll learn how to safely clean your arteries, slow down the aging process, and even find out which everyday fruit can work wonders for your vascular health. We'll also teach you a simple exercise for artery health, share a youth-boosting elixir recipe, and show you how to support your arteries without using medication. But hold on. One wrong piece of advice could land you in a hospital. Have you ever felt dizzy, weak, or had vision issues or trouble with balance? Garlic and ginger are known for lowering cholesterol and improving circulation. You don't want to use boiling water because that destroys the good stuff in the tea. The ideal temperature is around 65 to 80 degrees Celsius. Use 1 teaspoon of tea leaves per cup. Up next, we'll share some old school recipes for keeping your arteries elastic. But first, let's discuss why elasticity even matters. One way is through contrast showers alternating between hot and cold water. But be careful if you've never tried this before, especially if you're older. Soak the buckwheat overnight, rinse it in the morning, and blend it with the kefir. Add minced garlic, let it sit in the fridge for 12 hours. And take a quarter cup 30 minutes before meals, 3 times a day for 10 days. You can easily add it to salads or make a jelly-like drink by simmering flaxseed in water. For a soothing and beneficial brew, try this bay leaf tea. Boil 25 leaves in 300 milliliters of boiling water. Sip slowly over 3 evenings, then take a week off and repeat. Wondering if such simple ingredients can really work? Buckwheat contains rutin, a powerful compound that lowers bad cholesterol and strengthens artery walls. Like this video and share it with your family and friends to help them keep their arteries healthy too. Boil 100 grams in 2 liters of water, cool, strain, add honey, and drink half a glass 2 to 3 times daily. It's not about quick fixes or miracle cures, it's about making consistent, positive choices for your health every day. By incorporating these tips and recipes into your lifestyle, you're taking proactive steps to support your cardiovascular system and overall well-being. Your health is unique to you, and what works for one person might not be suitable for another. And don't forget about hawthorn. Make a tea with 30 grams of berries for heart and nerve support. Garlic acts as a natural antibiotic and antioxidant, and kefir improves gut health, which indirectly helps your arteries. While some people swear by it, there's not enough solid scientific evidence to say it's beneficial for everyone. Your arteries will thank you for it, and you'll be setting yourself up for a longer, more vibrant life. Remember, it's never too late to start taking better care of your cardiovascular health. So why not start today? Your future self will thank you for the investment you're making in your health right now. If you're healthy and love cold showers, great. But if you have heart issues like coronary artery disease, cold water could be risky. It might cause your arteries to spasm, which could be dangerous. Did you know your blood vessels can dance? Yep, that's called vasomotion. As we age, keeping our arteries flexible is super important to prevent blockages. First up is a pumpkin blend. Mix 200 grams of raw pumpkin, 30 grams of raisins, and 30 grams of sprouted wheat with honey. Take a spoonful daily to help with high blood pressure. Pumpkin seeds are another great option. They're full of magnesium and vitamin K, which help keep your blood from clotting too much. Vasomotion is the ability of your blood vessels to expand and contract as needed. When you're cold, your vessels shrink to conserve heat. When you're hot, they widen to help you cool off. This flexibility is crucial for good health. For example, when you exercise, your muscles demand more oxygen and your arteries expand to deliver it. But as we get older, our arteries can stiffen like an old rubber hose, losing that flexibility. And let it steep for just 3 minutes. Any longer and you'll get a bitter taste. And green tea, which the Chinese have been drinking for over 4,000 years, is packed with antioxidants that are great for heart health. Look at Japan, for example. People there drink green tea like it's going out of style, and they have some of the longest life expectancies in the world. And we're not talking about just living long, we mean active, energetic older adults. Some researchers believe green tea plays a big part in this. It's been shown to improve memory, focus, and even lower the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Pretty cool, right? Those could be early warning signs. Plaque also loves to build up in the arteries of the legs. How can you tell if it's happening there? If your leg arteries are seriously narrowed, you'll feel intense pain in your calves when you walk. Can you really train your arteries? You might think only muscles can be worked out, but arteries, yes, they can. This exercise helps strengthen artery walls and makes them more flexible. Want to try it? Let's do it together. Stand up, feet shoulder width apart. Step 1. Rise onto your toes and lift your arms up, inhaling deeply for 5 seconds. Step 2. Drop back onto your heels, bend forward, lower your arms, and exhale for 5 seconds. Easy, right? Repeat this 10 to 12 times as part of your daily routine. Just be careful if you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, stop right away. You might have to stop and rest just to get the blood flowing again before you can keep moving. This condition is called intermittent claudication and is a major red flag. The World Health Organization says that 1 in 3 people over 55 have cardiovascular issues, and that does even include the folks who never visit the doctor. But here's the good news. Your arteries can actually be 20 years younger than your actual age. Yes, you've probably heard about vascular age, which refers to the condition and elasticity of your blood vessels. With the right lifestyle changes and some smart artery cleansing practices, you can make your arteries younger and avoid 80% of potential problems. Imagine if a clot suddenly breaks loose or a cholesterol plaque completely blocks a blood vessel. This can lead straight to a stroke. The truth is, cholesterol deposits and blood clots are common, especially as we age, even for those who seem to live a healthy lifestyle. Our arteries naturally get clogged over time, so it's crucial to know how to take care of them safely. We're here to show you how to avoid dangerous mistakes and keep your blood vessels in top shape. First, let's talk about a shocking fact. Your arteries and veins are like a complex highway system in your body. Arteries are the big main roads that deliver oxygen and nutrients from the heart to your organs. Veins are the return roads, bringing blood back to the heart. Capillaries are the tiny back streets that feed every cell. When there's a traffic jam in your arteries, just like in a city everything slows down or stops, if blood flow to your brain gets blocked, you could be dealing with a stroke. It often starts with narrowing arteries in the neck. This narrowing, called stenosis, commonly happens in the carotid arteries on the sides of your neck. Cholesterol plaque builds up, making it tough for blood to get through to the brain. It's like trying to walk down a forest trail blocked by fallen branches. The tricky part is that symptoms of neck artery narrowing often go unnoticed or get blamed on getting older. So, can home remedies actually help? 3 big players are garlic, ginger, and green tea. What makes them special? Ever wondered how to brew green tea for maximum benefits? There's a trick to it. Now let's talk about a simple but powerful exercise called the Vascular Pump. So far we've talked about foods and exercises for artery health. The good news? You can help your arteries stay elastic. Want a natural elixir for youthful arteries? Here's a tried and true recipe. Take a cup of buckwheat, 3 garlic cloves, and a liter of kefir. But wait, there's more. We've got some bonus recipes for vascular health that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Flaxseed is another superstar when it comes to artery health. It helps make your arteries more flexible. If you're looking for something a bit more potent, St. John's wort might be your go-to. Remember, while these natural remedies can be incredibly beneficial, it's always important to consult with your doctor before starting any new health routine, especially if you have existing medical conditions or take medication. You can find many interesting videos about the benefits and harms of vegetables and fruits, as well as diseases and their treatments, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. The best way to keep your arteries healthy is a combination of the right foods, regular exercise, and science-backed natural remedies. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of your heart every day.